Last year's Honor number series topped out at the 200 Pro, but this year, we're also getting an Ultra model. Honor 300 Ultra joins the Honor 300 and 300 Pro as the top dog in Honor's number series, and as such, it gets a 50MP Periscope lens, IMX858, offering 3.8x optical zoom and f/3.0 aperture. The Honor 300 series phones still support the Harcourt portrait mode, which emulates the signature look of portraits taken at the storied Paris photography studio with its signature lighting effects. The new Periscope can take snapshots from even further away, and Honor has also added a dedicated AI light control engine to help preserve true-to-life light and shadow effects. The Periscope module is joined by a 50MP main lens, IMX906, with OIS and a 12MP ultra-wide. The rest of the specs align with the Honor 300 Pro, including a curved 6.78-inch AMOLED with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Honor claims 1,200 nits global peak brightness and up to 4,000 nits local peak brightness. One area where the 300 Ultra holds an advantage is its ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is embedded in the screen. Honor 300 Ultra is also configurable with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, with the latter being exclusive to the Ultra model. All three new Honor 300 phones boot macOS 9 based on Android 15. Honor also added a 5,300 mAh battery with 100W wired fast charging and support for 80W wireless top-ups. The phone is also IP65 rated and supports dual satellite connectivity in China. Honor 300 Ultra comes in camellia white and ink rock black colors. Pricing starts at 4,199 Chinese yuan, $577, and tops out at 4,699 Chinese yuan, $646, for the 16 GB RAM and 1 TB model. Open sales in China are scheduled for December 6th. Honor is expected to bring its 300 series phones outside of China at some point, but it remains to be seen if all three devices will be available.